Hi, I'm Kyle Derstler, owner and CEO of Zen Windows. This is part of our FAQ series. Lead times can vary. There's a lot of factors that come into play, but a few of them are the manufacturer you use, the type of window you're ordering, the custom options on the window, like paint or glass pack. Or you could go with a national pandemic that disrupts the supply chain. Can also have a very, very large impact. The great thing is we have good partnerships with our manufacturers. We get updated lead times daily, and we get to share that information with you so proper expectations are set. Installation can be as short as a few hours to as long as a few days. There's a lot that goes into installation. The type of installation you're getting, whether it's pocket install or full installation, how big is the crew working on your home, how complicated is your actual home to install on. Those are all factors that we do not want to rush. So we give you the best estimate that we can get when we are evaluating the home, the job, the options, and then we keep you informed as we're doing the actual install.